ASUS ROG has an interesting service for its gaming laptop owners, stating that the company would replace the thermal compound free of cost if it shows signs of overheating and thermal throttling. This particular service of ASUS is bound to mainland China only. However, it is still intriguing to see the company putting out such an offer, given that after-sale services, especially for a gaming laptop, tend to bother sometimes. ASUS claims that if a user sees issues such as high overheating and thermal throttling on their new ROG laptops, they can take the device to any authorized service center and get the thermal solution replaced free of cost. However, it is important to note that the service is limited to certain ASUS models. Based on the list above, we can note that this offer only applies to top-tier ROG Zephyrus Duo, ROG Strix, and ROG Flow series based on the AMD Ryzen 7000HX, Dragon Range, and Intel 14th Gen HX, Raptor Lake, CPUs. These are desktop replacement designs and feature much higher TDPs than the traditional laptop SKUs, so it makes to have this offer available to users buying such laptops. ASUS also plans to extend this offer to more laptops soon. The top AMD Ryzen 9 7945HX chip can reach up to 120 watts, while the Intel Core i9-13980HX can hit a peak power of up to 157 watts. It is disappointing not to see the offer available globally, but we could see its debut soon, given that for now, ASUS is just experimenting with the service. While we haven't seen many cases of high temperature due to a flawed thermal solution, it is still appreciable to see the company putting out such offers, given that it is a method to improve their PR.